Hey girls, I wanted to jump on and just do a quick little unboxing video. I got a box of Posh in the mail today, and I have a couple additional new products from our core catalog in here. So I went ahead and sliced open, and we'll go ahead and just open it. My box feels a little wet. I don't know what happened to it. Okay. Oh. So first thing I have is a shirt that I ordered for myself. Consultants can order things from what they call a Posh portal. So I ordered a cute shirt. It's just a gray t-shirt. I needed a bigger size to accommodate my belly. So it just says Poshers gonna Posh, and I just thought it was cute. Something to lounge around the house in. So just a gray t-shirt. Every Posh order, like I've told you girls in the past, comes with samples. Looks like I have 2 in here. So I got a sample of our Vial lip colors, which I have yet to try, so I'm excited to try that. Comes with a primer and 2 different colors, and then I got a sample of our Feel Better Soon lavender chunk. I attended a training, an online training, a couple weeks ago, and we got samples that go, or that came with our ticket. So I got a pack of Gender Bender samples, which is our charcoal chunk. So I got a bunch of those. These are really great to clean your makeup brushes. I think I'll do a video for you girls to show you how I clean my brushes, because this is what I use. It takes out every bit of dirt and makeup from your brush like nothing. It's awesome. A pack of those. We also got our new foot scrub. I am gonna use this today. Paxton is napping, so I think after this video I'm gonna sneak upstairs and try this foot scrub. But this is Grit With It. It's a pumice foot scrub with peppermint oil. So let's see. See if I can open it. These seals are always so hard to open. Okay. Okay, so be careful when you get this. Clearly mine is oozing out of the top. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they really aren't joking around. They filled it right up to the top. But it smells really good, just like a peppermint. It actually smells like a peppermint patty. Michael would love the scent of this, but like I said, be careful because mine is so full. But it does smell really, really good. I'm excited to try that now that I have it all over myself. Another thing that I got, I'm really excited for this and can't wait to start using this. This is Serves You Bright. This is a Super C cream for your face. So it's a vitamin C moisturizer to help brighten the skin. And I'm really excited. It has carrot and orange extract. So if you're familiar with Never Grow Up and the size of the jar, this is the same. This is the same size, but just a new packaging. So that, I'm gonna see what this scent is. Okay, so it has a seal. I don't know if you can see that, a seal on it as well. All of my stuff must have been like upside down in the box. It's everywhere. Okay, so the scent is not strong at all, which I really like. That's really nice because sometimes, you know, you don't like to have a strong scent when you're applying things to your face. So that is Serves You Bright. And another thing that I'm super excited to try, I've not tried this. This is Sassy Uma. This is a new hand cream, and it is a citrus scent. So it's supposed to be just strictly orange. And I'm gonna try it with you girls right now and see how I feel about it. So all of our hand creams are non-greasy. They have apricot kernel oil and coconut oil in them. And you just need a little bit. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Just fresh orange, that's the only thing in this one. So if you're looking for something that's a simple scent, Sassy Uma is the one you want to try. All right, girls, have a good rest of your Friday and stay tuned next week for some more reviews. Bye.